With factory-trained technicians who know your Acura inside out, no one is better equipped to care for your vehicle and simplify your service experience than your Acura dealership. Our service and parts teams are here to help you understand your Acura's maintenance needs, so you can feel confident about the quality of the work and parts recommended for your vehicle. Using genuine Acura parts means getting a precise fit and original quality, with a warranty on replacement parts that covers you for a minimum of 1 year or 20,000 kilometers. Knowing we stand behind what we sell takes the uncertainty out of your purchase. Your service advisor also checks for outstanding recalls or product updates specific to your Acura. This helps to ensure your vehicle is up to date. Book your next appointment by visiting acura.ca. Select the Find a Dealer tool, enter your location, and select your preferred dealer's website to access their appointment scheduling tool anytime. Once you're checked in for your appointment, help yourself to complimentary refreshments, fast Wi-Fi, and comfortable seating while you wait. Having work completed at an Acura dealer also creates a service record you can view on my-garage.ca. For the performance you've come to expect from your vehicle, it's got to be Acura. Enjoy all these advantages, along with competitive pricing, by booking your next service with your nearest Acura dealer today.